New technologies like 3D, spatial computing, metaverse, augmented reality, virtual reality and extended reality come with significant challenges when it comes to managing massive 3D digital assets. The size, complexity, interoperability, and overall cost of those digital assets can be a real inhibitor to success.
echo3D is a 3D digital asset management platform that addresses these issues with an enterprise solution that unifies all your 3D models and digital twins into one single platform. By storing all your assets on our cloud-based 3D DAM, organizations can improve their 3D workflow and deliver faster. 3D assets can be previewed, updated, shared, and synced in real time with different 3D design tools. View and share massive 3D models and scans, regardless of file format or size, across the entire organization. The platform is collaborative, with team members able to work together on 3D assets, track changes and versions made by others and restore 3D assets back to previous versions in real time through the cloud. Streamline your team's 3D workflow and minimize spend on incompatible assets and duplicates. Our 3D DAM is available on echo3d.com and for local cloud and on-prem deployments, on AWS or Azure Cloud Infrastructure. echo3D 3D DAM simplifies and facilitates, enabling organizations to focus on what they want to achieve in the 3D space. Accelerate your business innovation and streamline your entire 3D workflow with echo3D.